In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use and wear the Gymreapers lifting straps. So I have a lifting strap here, and I'm going to take one end and put it through the hole at the other end. I'm going to slip my hand through the lasso, and you should notice that the end of the strap goes in the direction of my thumb. This is how you know that you're wearing it properly. If it's going the other way, you're wearing it incorrectly. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the other lifting strap. I'm going to slip my hand through, and once again, the end of the strap should be going in the direction of my thumb. As I go to a barbell, I'm going to grab the end of the lifting strap and pull my wrist as tight to the barbell as possible and wrap the strap end around the barbell twice. As you go to put your other hand to the barbell, you obviously have the other hand strapped in, so you'll use your two fingers to wrap the strap around and keep that strap pulled down with your thumb, and you'll be able to rev the straps just like you would a motorcycle around the barbell to increase the tightness of the lifting straps. If you're interested in picking up the Gymreapers lifting straps, go ahead and check them out today at gymreapers.com.